Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming whether your account is Exchange or POP/AMAP because server rules behave differently. Once you know that, back up your rules quickly. Go to File, Manage Rules and Alerts, then Options and Export Rules so you can restore if needed. Now open File, Manage Rules and Alerts and scan the list. This is where you'll take immediate action on each rule. Make sure Outlook is online and not running in safe mode, so you see all server-synced rules. You'll now review rules one by one. Select a rule and inspect its conditions, exceptions, and assigned folders so you understand the why behind its behavior. Once inspected, disable the rule first to observe how mail flow changes. If everything looks correct after a day, delete the rule to remove it permanently. If you're on Exchange and the desktop list seems incomplete, sign into Outlook web app and repeat the same steps there, because server-side rules may only appear in OWA. Finish by clicking Apply and OK, then restart Outlook so changes take effect across services. Test by sending sample messages and confirming they follow the new behavior. Move a few messages manually to verify no hidden actions remain. If deleted rules keep returning or you see client-only entries that won't go away, try clearing cached mode, recreate your Outlook profile, or use MFCMAPI to remove corrupted hidden rule objects, only as a last resort and with your admin's permission to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.